Here's something most retail traders don't realize. Every professional prop trader, hedge fund manager, and institutional trader operate with strict risk parameters. It's not because they lack experience. These are often traders with decades in the markets. They use these tools because they know that no amount of experience can overcome human emotion when money, pride, and reputation are on the line. Think about it. Rock climbers set anchors, scuba divers double-check their gauges, and even trapeze artists perform with safety nets. The best performers in high-stakes activities don't rely on skill alone. They build systematic safeguards to protect against the volatility of the markets and human emotions. These same principles apply to your futures trading. With NinjaTrader's risk management settings, you get these same professional-grade risk tools. Whether you're trading one contract or 50, these tools can help you create an enforced disciplined risk plan. In this video, we will walk you through setting up these risk safeguards in NinjaTrader so they automatically protect your account while you focus on your trading. Let's break down the risk guardrails available in NinjaTrader and how each one can be employed to build a smart risk management plan. Without these automated safeguards, you're relying entirely on skill and discipline in the heat of the moment, exactly when emotions run highest and judgment can be compromised. Daily loss limit is your key daily circuit breaker. Here is where you set the maximum you're willing to lose on any one day. When your predetermined daily loss amount is hit, NinjaTrader automatically cancels all working orders, liquidate positions, and locks you out for the rest of the trading session. No more revenge trading or trying to get back to even. Both can turn a bad day into an account-ending disaster. The weekly loss limit setting extends your protection across the entire week. If you've had multiple tough days during a week, this guardrail ensures you don't dig a hole so deep that you can't recover. It forces you to step back, reassess, and come back fresh the following week. Daily Profit Trigger helps you lock in winning days. Once you hit your daily profit target, the system restricts further trading, ensuring you don't give back gains through overconfidence and overtrading. Booking profits can be just as important as limiting losses. The weekly profit trigger secures your successful weeks. When you've hit your weekly goal, this feature helps you resist the temptation to push for more. There's no worse feeling than turning a winning week into a loser just because you didn't know when to quit. The end-of-day trailing max drawdown locks in daily profits as your account balance grows day by day. This trailing stop only calculates and is adjusted once per day at the market close, based on the trailing dollar amount specified. This gives swing traders a measure of control by locking in profits without the distractions of intraday fluctuations. For example, as your account grows from $10,000 to $15,000, a $2,000 trailing drawdown ensures you lock in at least $3,000 in profit. Trailing stops rise with success but never move down, locking in daily profits automatically. Real-time trailing max drawdown is your dynamic intraday profit protector. This account-level trailing stop locks in profits from the highest account point, including unrealized gains from open positions. Unlike the end-of-day version, this monitors your account positions on every tick and adjusts the trailing stop in real time throughout the day. Finally, the Lock Risk Settings feature will lock these account risk settings until the end of the session. Once the lock has been enabled and the set limit is hit, the account risk settings will not be able to be changed until the end of the session, but will automatically unlock after the market closes between 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's be clear. These tools aren't training wheels. They're the same tools used consistently by traders of all levels to protect their account and safeguard profits. When you configure these NinjaTrader risk management tools for your live or sim account, you create a critical part of a comprehensive risk management plan.